is crucial. Because, Madam Speaker, one of the things that we are failing to do in terms of this economy is to realize that the initial process is a process of stabilization. Even for a patient, thankfully I was married to a surgeon for 15 years, so I know a little bit of medicine. If a patient, yes, by association, my dear, if you know, you are assuming that I was having very little sex, I probably was having a lot.
Address the chair, Honorable Member.
Sorry, Madam Speaker, it's just that I hate males that think they can be abusive even in the house. Go to the social media where we can't see you. What I'm trying to say, Madam Speaker, is that if you have an unwell patient, you don't necessarily introduce an aggressive treatment. So in terms of our economy, let's move it by ensuring that we are doing stabilization. And the stabilization process is what we are failing to do, Madam Speaker. And I think in stabilization, I understand that for any transition, we have to go through pain. But that pain has to be a fair pain. What we did in 2008, 2009, as we went into the inclusive government, is we did one radical thing, Madam Speaker. And I'm proposing that that's what we do. Because one of the things that we struggle with right now is the issues around the wage bill. And what happened as we went into the inclusive government, as we gave time for Honorable Biti to breathe so that he could move forward, is we actually made a decision and said it does not matter whether you are a president, it does not matter whether you are a minister, it does not matter whether you are a sweeper. We generally are saying everybody earns $100 a month. Madam Speaker, if we are going to deal with the wage bill, we may have to do something as radical as that, so that we are allowing the Treasury to only deal with a particular sum of money for a period of 6-7 months as they begin to stabilize. The issues that we have right now around the wage bill that we have and the salaries that we have in the parastatals is unsustainable. We can't continue to do that thing. And if this budget doesn't come back with something around how we are dealing with the wage bill, we will continue to be in this